Share with you something a little bit different. It is a journal, but it's in a box. I picked up, I'll show you a blank box. These are in the UK and they are in the pound shop, obviously for £1. So I picked up 2 of them and I thought I would decorate one and make a little mini journal to go inside it. So I roughly sanded it down a little bit. The wood is like a ply, so it is quite porous anyway, but I did sand it down a little bit. Then I put a little bit of gesso on, and then I gave it 3 coats of acrylic paint, which was this one here, and it is periwinkle. So it got 3 coats of that. I used a kit from ARTYmaze, which is the Nature Walk, because obviously it's blue and I wanted to do something blue, so that was the kit that I chose. I decorated the cover with some paper from ARTYmaze, which has got blue on it, but you can't really see it now because I've covered it up. I've put this lovely pretty lace here. There is some sari silk ribbon there and a sari silk ball here. These flowers are I Am Roses, which I've had for years, and I'd actually painted them all up ages ago, and they've got some sparkle to them. Around the side here we have, well, around the bottom of the box we've got some lace trim going all the way around, and then I just put 3 pieces of bling there. I've put some feet on it. These are actually little art tiles. They're MDF art tiles, and I doubled them up, and they were from Fernli Designs, so I will link that below, and I will link ARTYmaze below as well. So inside the box I painted all the inside as well, and then there's a little bit of that paper. I think this was actually from the ARTYmaze's Tea Time digital kit. So that is it. So that's the box. I'll set that to one side. Then I made this little journal which measures 4 1/4 by 3 inches, and I can't remember how many pages in here, but so again I've used the same ribbon, same lace, sorry, all the way around the little journal. This was one of the pages, and I kind of cut it down so that it was just obviously the little birds on there, sewn it onto some coffee dyed paper. There's some cheesecloth in the background, there's some crocheted trim on the edges, and there's eyelash trim here with the tags. I probably have to hold this up a little bit because it's really tiny. So this is from the kit, and we have a little lace pocket here. Inside that we have a little tag, some ephemera. I think it's all mainly from ARTYmaze. I backed that onto some cardstock. We have a doily. There's a little glassine bag, and lots of journaling space in this little one. Another page from the kit. A little pocket there. There is stenciling going on throughout the pages, and a tag. Little journaling card there. Some more ephemera, and a little envelope. So that all tucks in there. And here we just have some dictionary paper, some more of the digital paper, another little lace pocket with a butterfly, a tag, a journal card, another little journal card there, and some ephemera, a little doily, a paper bag, well, it's actually a glassine bag, some lined paper, some squared paper, middle of the signature, the other side of the glassine bag and the doily, another little pocket there with a tag, a little thank you receipt, and this little piece of ephemera from ARTYmaze, and is this. Lots of journaling space, another pocket, little tag, little envelope. And you know what, doing little journals actually well, it takes me the same amount of time. I don't know why. They just do, they just take me ages. I might as well have just made a big one. Paper bag, glassine bag, sorry, doily, another little lace pocket, piece of ephemera, a tag, another little piece of ephemera, and another little journaling card there, and that is the back. So that's the little journal, a little chunky journal, and it's just tied with some organza ribbon. It's not attached, and it just houses itself in the box. So that is it. So I'm going to actually put this in on my shop for sale. If anyone's interested, the link will be below. If you have any questions, just ask. And remember, if you're in the UK, these are in the pound shop. Shame they haven't got bigger ones, but you've got to be thankful for what you can get over here. So have a good day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.